Phantom airdrop will be starting very soon. So in this video, you have the chance of winning giveaway inside this video. All you have to do is to give this video a thumbs up, like, go to the comment section, write Merry Christmas, and don't forget there's a giveaway at the end of this video. Welcome to Ether Crypto FS Ether Airdrop. This is a channel we discuss about cryptocurrency, how to make money online, latest airdrop to start mining to make money into USDT to your Bybit account. Then you convert it into Naira using EtherPay mobile app. Phantom airdrop will be starting very soon. Lot of airdrop in 2024. So we are looking after the future of 2025. The last airdrop that I know that is going to pay well in 2025 is Node and Grass airdrop. So with this, I'll be dropping the referral link for Grass and Node inside the comment section. Guys, the Phantom airdrop just need you to follow and get followed. When you have a lot of followers on Phantom airdrop, you're going to be getting a lot of points so that you convert it to tokens, then get the reward into your wallet. So guys, about the giveaway, you need to write Merry Christmas inside the comment section. Then I will reply you and pick the winners inside the comment section. All you have to do is to download my app, and if you can download the app, just write Merry Christmas, and I will telling you how to shout me my number. I will shout you, I will reply you with my number, then I will know how to credit you for Christmas. I have done eating my Christmas food, but guys, it's a crypto day, it's a forex day, it's for everybody. Now the forex trade is closed for now, but guys, we crypto guys, we are always active on every platform. So guys, thank you for watching this video and happy new year in advance. Guys, it's your boy Ether TV, Ether Airdrop, Ether Pay, Ether Crypto FS. So thank you for being with me for long.